showed up at lunchtime, but let's hope they're there.
What's going on? I don't know why we're here.
That's okay. Don't worry. I'm not trying to be abrasive. What's happening is that when I went up to the OCC, they told me I'm not allowed to videotape, and the same thing at the Human Rights Commission. And you guys are here to hopefully inform them that in a public building seeking public services, I'm not breaking the law by videotaping.
Yeah, you got to take up that with OCC.
That's my whole point. I am.
Yeah,
so you guys don't know what the law is?
No, I don't know what it is about being in a public building.
So in a public building seeking public services, I can't videotape?
Is that a Samsung?
No, it's a flip.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So wait a minute. So you guys can't help me at all?
I don't understand what the thing is.
Right here. I'll show it to you. They even sent me a letter. You know, and they cited no citation, no nothing, because of course, you know, when you don't have to, when the law doesn't apply to you.
It applies to everybody.
Oh.
Remember Richard Nixon?
Tricky Dick?
Yeah.
You would be surprised at the things I know and that I've been through. And of course, the city attorney sent me a bogus Penal Code 632, which doesn't apply. And of course, when I wrote back, they never answered. So there's no citation on that. You know, when I call the follow-up, and I said, you know, to cite me the law because I need civil standby, because unless I can go in and complain and do things properly, they're evading my civil rights by denying me access and accommodation.
Get an attorney.
Excuse me. I can also videotape the farce of the law enforcement, because who's there to protect my rights under civil standby if they're breaking the law?
That's a good question.
I've asked it.
FBI, maybe?
Ah, only if that supposes that it'll work.
I can't hear you.
That's okay.
FBI, maybe?
Now, I went up to the Human Rights Commission to voice a complaint about denial of access and accommodation, and they did the same thing. They told me I couldn't videotape, and I said, well, you know, if there's a problem, send out a robot. You know, you cannot deny me public services in a public building. The services must be provided.
Have you tried what they asked you to do to obtain the written consent of the OCC employee?
That is in violation of my civil rights to be able to go into a public building seeking public services and videotape that. I don't have to try that Hobbesian choice, madam.
You don't have to, but...
Correct.
But
it's not illegal what I'm requesting to do. Of course. But I don't agree with it. I don't have to try it. I want my rights enforced. So now are you telling me you guys can't help me with this, and that the only thing I can do at this point is get an attorney?
Yeah.
Thank you. I mean, this is all going on YouTube because this is the whole thing about process, and the fact that process, nobody's accountable.
Okay.
Well, actually it's not, but you know. So now are you telling me that if I go up there with my video camera and try to give them what I need to give them and follow up in the public place, that they're going to call and have me, you know, hauled away or something because they're going to claim I'm breaking a law?
I believe they do have the right to ask you to leave the building.
Oh, wonderful. But if I'm being disruptive, don't I also have the right to ask for that my rights be enforced by you guys in civil standby?
Well, that's up to OCC.
No, it's not. You're the officer. You're the law enforcement person. No, it's not. So that's a total...
They investigate us.
That has nothing to do with it.
Tell them
what the law is?
When they tell me what to do.
I'm confused. They investigate you for what? Not following the law? So is it that you don't know what the law is?
Yeah,
what is the law?
I don't know the
Who
law
does know the law?
About videotaping.
Well, can't you get on your... Can't you get... Yes.
Do you know it?
Yes, it's not illegal. So would you please assist me in ensuring that my rights...
Force your way into the office.
I'm not forcing my way at all.
You
That's a misrepresentation. I'm simply here following up.
Or get an attorney or talk to the city attorney.
I don't have a problem watching them up there and having them tell them.
Yeah, tell me where I'm wrong, cite the code.
He's in his whole existence is playing games.
Oh, I know.
That's the only reason he's here, to be a thorn in people's side. I'm not going to force our way into the office and go, he wants to videotape. No, we already told him no. It makes no sense to go up there again. He has to take this up with OCC president or city attorney. This is beyond our... It would be paramount to us forcing our way into the mayor's office. I want to talk to the mayor right now. I'm a citizen. I want to videotape it. Force your way into the mayor's office. I'm not going to do that.
So that's okay. I can be denied access and accommodation to a public building seeking public services by my law enforcement officers.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you. See you on YouTube.